We saw it when it was first being constructed, and we tracked the progress from October of 2023. Well, now it's complete. Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Montego Bay's new supermarket, Grand Depot, is at the intersection of West Green Road and Dr. Marker Brown Road. It's across from Vistaprint, which, by the way, seems to be doing some construction. I'm going to walk around and show you the place. There is a lot of people in here shopping at the moment, and I don't want to put anyone on camera, so I won't be walking around the supermarket area. We're going to go upstairs where they have the household items, and I'll show you some prices as well. The first thing I saw that kind of drew my eyes to it were these paintings here, very nicely done. Then of course I'm showing you some shots of other items that you'd use in the home. Look here, them flowers here, them fake flowers here look nice. It looks almost like fake flowers that you would see in, say, a business place, a bank or something like that. And of course here I am showing you the price.
2,600.
And let me give you a close-up to give you an idea of the prices.
16,150.
There, I like this white one, or cream.
This cream one is 31,850.
I think it's cream and silver. Looks nice. So these are, I guess, for additional storage. Yeah, they have different sizes and different designs for you. Then I saw these tents here and decided to get some footage of that for you. I'm going to give you a close-up so you can see the pricing shortly. Alright, so that's the price. And of course they have outside chairs, patio chairs for you. Right, small dining set here. Chairs kind of look unique. I'll soon give you a close-up of the pricing for these as well. So that's the chair price, and apparently the table price is different, so that's the pricing there for you. 1,000. And so they have white and they have blue chairs. Let me give you a close-up of this table as well. And of course they have couches, settees here as well. You see an outside umbrella there for your patio, or you know, somewhere outside. They have those as well. Yeah. Center table. Let's see how much was the cost for this one. Couches again. And some swinging chairs for your veranda. So here's the price for these swinging chairs. I can't make this one for less. I'm sorry. That seems expensive. I don't even remember what that blue thing is that I just showed. But here are some other chairs. Yeah, quickly showing you those. Then this area was very pretty. They had a lot of flowers here. You have the turf there. And the flowers in here are really nice, really pretty. Kind of sunflowers, pretty. And so much better than I've seen elsewhere in Jamaica. So I really like these. These are nice. Do you agree, by the way, that these are nice? This area was very pretty, very eye-catching, and I love how they decorated it, how they designed it. Yeah, tell them what the plants they have in here. Came over this section and it was empty, so I moved on. This is another shot of the types of mirrors. They have toys for kids. You have those small bikes. I saw like small racing cars that they can drive and race. A lot of decor for you to choose from. These little cute lamps. So many different designs for you to choose from. Some more decor items for you here. Look out for an upcoming video on another section of the Montego Bay bypass that they're presently working on. I recorded that for you a couple days ago, so look out for that video. And thank you for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.